আমার প্রিয় ছাত্র ছাত্রীরা, my today's topic is hydroboration oxidation reaction. In this video, I discuss about the definition of hydroboration oxidation reaction, then examples of hydroboration oxidation reactions, and at last we discuss about the mechanism of hydroboration oxidation reaction. This topic comes from class 12 unit 1 alcohol phenol ether topic. This topic is very much important for NEET exam, JEE main exam, WBJEE, NEST etc. exam. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put the bell icon and comments on this video. Now, at first we discuss about the what you mean by hydroboration oxidation reaction. Addition of water to carbon-carbon double bond in an anti-Markovnikov fashion can be affected by an indirect, convenient and high-yielding process which is known as hydroboration oxidation reactions. This two-step sequence involves addition of hypothetical boron known as BH3. From diboron, reaction is B2H6 to form 2BH3 to the double bond followed by oxidation and hydrolysis of the resulting alkali boron with alkaline solution of H2O2 to form a terminal alcohol. For example, when propene, 3 molecules of propene H3C single bond CH double bond CH2 reacts with BH3 in presence of THF tetrahydrofuran and GOD disintegrate, then at first tripropyl boron will form. When tripropyl boron reacts with alkaline H2O2, that means H2O2 in NOH medium, then 3 molecules of 1-propanol will formed. Now, by this process, propene can convert with propanol. Now, because of the tendency of boron to combine with an electron pair to form an octet, boron may act as an electrophile. তাহলে এই যে BH3 আছে, BH3 boron ইলেকট্রোফাইলের না বিহেভ করবে। And due to difference of electronegativity between boron and hydrogen atom, the BH bond is polarized in nature and boron gets positive charge and hydrogen gets negative charge. For this reason, the pi electron cloud of the carbon-carbon double bond attack the more electropositive boron atom. The boron atom become attached to the less substituted double bond carbon atom. This addition occurs in a single step involving a 4-center transition state. In the first step, double bond electron attacks the B atom. B can reach its octet and BH bond breaks up and this H atom attached to C atom. As a result, we get a 4-center transition state which is more stable, and at last we get propyl boron H3C single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond BH2. This is a 4-center transition state. And next, the next step, the resulting alkali boron, that means propyl boron, reacts in a similar way with the excess of propene to form tripropyl boron. H3C single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond BH2 reacts with propene, that means H3C single bond CH double bond CH2 to form dipropyl boron, and when dipropyl boron again reacts with propene H3C single bond CH double bond CH2, then at last we get a tripropyl boron. Now, in the next step is mechanism of oxidation and hydrolysis of trialkyl boron. In next step, hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali gives hydroperoxide anion HOO minus. The reaction is H2O2 plus HO minus this HO minus attacks the H plus ion and OH bond breaks up. O gets an extra electron to form H2O and hydroperoxide anion HOO minus. The first step, the oxidation involves the nucleophilic attack by the hydroperoxide anion of the electron deficient boron atom to give a tetracovalent boron intermediate. এই যে হাইড্রোপারক্সাইড অ্যানিয়নে O মাইনাস আয়ন রিয়াক্টস উইথ বি অ্যাটম রিয়াক্টস করলে বোরন অক্টেট ফিল আপ করে টু ফর্ম বি মাইনাস আছে এখানে একটা বি মাইনাস টু ফর্ম a tetracovalent boron intermediate. In the second step, the resulting compound undergoes rearrangement reaction. An alkyl group, that means propyl group, here propyl group migrates with its bonding electron from boron to oxygen and thereby displaces a hydroxyl ion to form a boronic ester. Now this is a tetracovalent boron intermediate. Here propyl group CH2CH2CH3 and migrates with its electron pair to O atom and OH bond breaks up and hydroxyl ion will form. As a result we get H3C single bond CH2 single bond CH2 whole 2 B, then single bond O single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3 plus hydroxyl anion HO minus. This is a boronic ester. As a result, a boronic ester will form. Now in the next step, the boronic ester reacts further by the same process to give a trialkyl borate ester. The reaction is H3C single bond CH2 single bond CH2 whole 2B single bond O CH2 CH2 CH3 when reacts with alkaline H2O2, that means H2O2 in HO minus, then at first form CH3 CH2 CH2B first bracket O CH2 CH2 CH3 whole 2, and in the next step when this product reacts with alkaline H2O2, then we get BO CH2 CH2 CH3 whole 3 tripropyl borate. This tripropyl borate we obtained. This borate ester then undergoes hydrolysis reaction under the reaction condition to produce 3 molecules of 1 propanol and a borate ion. Reaction to হলো CH3 CH2 CH2O whole 3B reacts with hydroxyl anion. Hydroxyl anion attacks to B atom because B is trivalent and accepts electron to achieve octet to form CH3 CH2 CH2O whole 2B OH and in another valency O CH2 CH2 CH3. This BO bond breaks to form CH2 CH2 CH2O minus anion and CH3 CH2 CH2O whole 2B OH. This propoxylate anion CH2 CH2 CH2O minus reacts with the proton to form CH3 CH2 CH2O whole 2B O minus and propanol. This process repeating 2 times we get 3 molecules of propanol and 1 molecule of borate. This borate can form sodium borate at last. So by this process we get propene to propanol by hydroboration oxidation reaction. This is the overall synopsis of hydroboration oxidation reaction where propene can form terminal alcohol propanol. Thanks for watching this video in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel if you like this type of video and press the bell icon and comment share this video. Thanks again for watching this video my channel. Thank you everybody.